Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
GCash Authentication failed. So how to fix the login and verification problem? So why am I facing authentication issue? Common issues is incomplete verification, incorrect PIN, and loss of the activated SIM card, temporary app glitch, or maybe you account on hold, inactive prior period, unavailable person information, or security concern triggered, verification rejections, poor selfie quality, unclear ID photo, and expired identifications. So basic troubleshooting for losing or for troubleshooting for logging failures is restart the app and connections, and then after that clear the cache. Clear the cache on Android. So go to your settings and then clear the cache and then reboot your device. So there. So there. So and guys, put it on airplane mode for 30 seconds to refresh your network connection. So yeah, there you go. Step number 2 is resetting your MPIN or recovering access. Forget MPIN, tap your forget MPIN on the login screen. You'll receive a 6-digit SMS code followed by a selfie or OTP verification. New phone, old SIM, install the GCash app, enter your number, verify with an old OTP, and complete security check. Lost or deactivated SIM, refer to GCash official step-by-step guide for SIMs recovered to regain access. Fixing verification failures. Check verification status. Go to GCash app, profile, verify now to see your status and require actions. So avoid common mistakes. Ensure selfies are clear and well lit. ID photos must be uncropped, original, and valid, not expired. Resubmit with care. Submit clear, well lit photo of original valid government IDs and selfies wearing a shirt. Timely submission. If additional documents are requested, submit them within 10 days to avoid restarting the entire process.
What to do if your account is on hold? Check communications, look for email or SMS from GCash regarding the account hold and specific instructions. Gather required documents, prepare two valid government IDs, a selfie with ID, and potential proof of billing or income. Contact Gig for support, chat with Gig, the GCash chatbot, and type account on hold for personalized assistance and next step. And here final tips and where to get help. Keep everything updated. Regularly update your GCash app, phone, and operating systems. Be patient with verification. Take your time with verification steps and to prevent temporary account blocks. And then utilize official support. For persistent use the GCash Help Center or chat with Gig in the app. Your funds are secured. Rest assured your funds remain safe even when you encounter login or verification problems. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below. Happy to answer you, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.